Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming account access and basic view. Sign in with your Microsoft account and complete any two-step verification. This prevents interruptions later. Once signed in, open File, then Account Settings again to edit or add profiles. Make sure the correct mailbox is selected. Next, set your mail view. Go to View, change view and choose Compact or Single to optimize reading. These first steps align accounts and display, so further changes apply reliably. Now you tailor how mail behaves and looks. Open File options Mail and pick Stationery and fonts to set default font, size, and reply style. This ensures consistency across messages. Then adjust the reading pane under View to right or off depending on preference. This affects scanning speed and privacy. Finally, create rules from Home Rules, manage rules and alerts to move, flag, or categorize messages automatically. Rules reduce manual triage and keep your inbox focused. Finish by ensuring syncing, backups, and error recovery are set. Open File Account Settings, select Change, More Settings, and check Advanced Sync Intervals and Cached Mode for performance. Enable Auto Archive under File Options Advanced to keep mailbox size manageable. Once done, restart Outlook to apply changes. If sync errors or crashes occur, run Repair Account from Account Settings or start Outlook in safe mode. This isolates add-ins. Make sure to test sending and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.